Well, recently I'm observing a lot of these methods that people are suggesting to use to avoid your book spine from cracking. So this is my personal opinion, but isn't a cracked spine more beautiful in your shelf? Like, I have this one. I like this book so much, and I actually love it, but I listened to its audiobook. I just bought the physical book so that I have it because I knew that in one day I will go back to this book. So it's never been cracked, it's never been read. I just listened to its audiobook. But then I have this book, and it's totally like I had to read it page by page, and it's completely cracked. The spine is all messy. But the joy that seeing this book on my shelf gives me is much, much higher than seeing this. Although it might be more beautiful, but this is better.